Itsy bitsy spider went up a water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Well, I guess that's the way that the world goes round. It washes you up and it washes you down. But as long as the sun comes up again, you can go and climb right back up that spout, my friend. Well, we are all just little spiders, climbing up our little ladders, working hard to get to where we're going, just to get washed back down again. We are all just little spiders, climbing up our little ladders, but we know the sun will come again, so we'll just climb back up that spout again. I've had my fair share of ups and downs. I've been picked up and I've